Well, here's what kind of day we're having. Grab chemtrails later on. That's what they usually do. These are all in full sun. Real nice day. Real nice day. Let's go take a look. Okay, here's the kitchen. There's the living room. And the kitchen includes the fridge and freezer. Full-size fridge. Smaller freezer. Let's say a medium freezer. And there's a bedroom with security cameras and all that. What it's doing. Let's take a look. And we are floating. Testing out the Outback today, so it's getting falls today because last couple days I got home from work, it's saying charged until a certain time of day and then it turns back on. But yeah, so I got the Classic off. He's just resting, no solar going to him. There's what the FlexMax is putting out. Just very much needed. It's in 28.4 for the last 15 minutes, so there we go. A little green machine there, the MPPT. He's resting. He's not needed. So there you go. We'll check back on the FlexMax here in a bit. Okay, it's not quite solar noon yet. Sun's over just a bit. Let's go see if that FlexMax is keeping up. Got 1200 watts on it. Again, you got 146 going to the kitchen, 109 in the living room, and the security cameras and everything else in the bedrooms at 122. So let's take a look. So we got 580 coming in, 550. That's jumping big time, isn't it? Okay, 28.4 according to him. Hadn't lost any. Hadn't really gained any, but it is floating still. Green MPPT. Still asleep. And the Midnight Classic, I got all the solar off on it. It's still resting. So let's see what we're going to do. I'm thinking about going ahead and turn on the Classic just to see what kind of bump we get. Turned off the FlexMax for a minute. Let's see what it does. Kind of wattage we can get in here. Get her down to about 26.9 and fire back up. Okay, so if I can do it while I got the camera on the FlexMax. Let's see what it does. Oh yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Drop down an MPPT float real quick. Alright, we're going to do the same with the Midnight Classic. See what it goes. I'll see if I can keep her on there while I reach this. Woke up, pulling up slow. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Going up pretty quick. We're settling. We're in the float. Now, I'm going to turn on the FlexMax again. We're going to turn her on and see what she does. Went to 2 something and bam, floating already. So yep, she's working. Little guy ain't doing nothing right now. Midnight's she's floating as well, 660 watts. And again, kitchen's 143, living room's 116, bedroom / security room 122. Not bad at all. Okay, this to be solar noon. Let's go take a look at what we're doing. Okay, kitchen's 100 watts. Living room's 103 watts. Security cameras, bedroom / bathroom is 122 watts. Let's go take a look. Now look at that. We're floating 28.5. Solar just works, man. It sure does. 1.7 kilowatt on her. Of course, I've had it on most of the morning. It's officially, I think, solar noon for me. And little green MPPT still asleep. I think I'm gonna throw him on that 12-volt system. In any case, once I add them other panels, good lordy, I'm gonna put everything on. Get everything wired up and put everything on it. Well, thanks for watching, folks. You have a nice day. Nice sunny day if you're in Ohio. Nice sunny day wherever you are, hopefully. Have a good one. What we got? Yeah, buddy. We got sunlight finally.